In front of me is Huawei MatePad 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. All you need to do is go into settings and tap on display and brightness right away. Now scroll all the way down and tap on screen refresh rate over here. Finally, click on the one you wanna apply, dynamic, high or standard. And when you're ready, go back. So when I do that, as you can see, screen refresh rate of my Huawei has changed. Personally, I always go with dynamic because it's making my device smoother, but my battery is not draining so fast as it would if I would set up high one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!